A longtime Hialeah police chief is expected to walk out of jail at any moment. Sergio Velazquez is accused of stealing from the department. Local 10's Glenna Milberg is live at the jail to see if he will answer her questions. Glenna.
He's accused, actually, Nicole, of stealing systematically from the department. That's one of the charges. And this goes back to 5-6 months at the end of his tenure, $600,000 worth. But the suspicions actually go back a decade and 4 times that amount.
Based on what the court has announced, we'll enter a plea of not guilty to all 3 counts.
A plea and a post, the bond that will get Hialeah's former police chief out of jail.
Organized fraud, a first-degree felony, and grand theft, a first-degree felony.
He stood silent. His lawyer did the talking. Sergio Velazquez, now criminal defendant, accused of systematically stealing from the department and people he led.
You have a good lawyer, listen to what he tells you.
An audit trying to account for disappearing petty cash found gaping holes of accountability. Meanwhile, the chief was making dozens of personal deposits, bought Rolex and Cartier and Louis Vuitton. Velazquez had more than his share of controversies during his decade, like embarrassing a sergeant by stripping him of his uniform in public. Now, this arrest narrative unspools a scheme involving the cash Hialeah's narcotics detective used as props for their undercover work, and also money the city received in drug forfeitures. When it came back, it ended up in the chief's office safe, and then, they allege, in his bank accounts.
The monies always came up missing, no matter who came and went. As a sergeant or a major, the chief was there.
Before she met Mr. Velazquez, she purchased a house, which is a marital residence.
That marital residence, part of what Velazquez's wife swears to the court she owns without him. Monies that are now paying the bond for him to get out today.
We're all done with you, sir. Good luck to you.
In the 24 hours since Velazquez was arrested, we have heard from so many members of law enforcement, both retired and current, who are quite sure that there are other people, other things involved, that other dominoes will fall. And FDLE, the state investigators doing this, they all but confirm that. Any minute, Velazquez is scheduled to walk out of jail, and boy, do we have questions for him. I'm Glenna Milberg, live in West-Dade at the jail today, Local 10 News.
Much more on Local 10 News at 11 o'clock tonight. Glenna, thanks a lot.